highest net return per hectare. That's the one that counts.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I work with growers to develop nutrient management plans. Not only are we achieving better water quality outcomes, but we're also making farming systems more profitable and more sustainable for the long term. To actually customise the nutrient management plan, it's not just about what fertiliser do you use, but how do you use it. So it's working with the grower, understanding what their objectives are, and coming up with something that can be implemented logistically. Ultimately, what we're trying to do is to feed the crop the optimum amount of nutrient, so there's a minimum amount that might be lost to the environment. So this is a final product that I would give to the grower. This is the nutrient management plan. Of greatest interest to the grower is the map that shows all of the farm or what fertiliser to put on which different paddocks. It's colour coded, and so under the reef regulations, the grower needs to record what fertiliser they're using and when they apply it. This is a simple record keeping system that you can actually say, yes, I've done that paddock, yes, I've done that paddock, write down the date, and you're compliant with the regulations.
I've been farming in Faluga here since 2005. It's something I want to do full time, but I've got to get a big enough farm to do it full time. So it's just pretty much a hobby. So I work with Alex and we work out a nutrient management plan. So if one block's lacking something, we can try and top it back up to get it back up to a healthy standard where it should be. Also work with different farming practices, so you don't lose that nitrogen. It's about 10 or 15% we've saved on fertiliser in the last 2 years.
My name's Damien Rigato. We have a farm in Tully comprising of about 1,200 hectares of cropping land. In that there's 850 hectares of sugarcane cropping. Our below canopy spray and above. We came to Alex there for some support on getting all our records in order. It's all been compiled into a large booklet form currently, and we refer to it every year and update it as we go. It's a holistic approach, getting all the soil types matched to soil tests to have the right nutrients for the right soils.
Well, I knew about him, but he did call me and asked me, actually used me as a pilot example. He said, I'm looking for someone to try out this new nutrient plan things. He said, can I come and see you? And it was interesting at first. I mean, we didn't see eye to eye, but talking it through, it was a good idea. Last year I used his nutrient plan that he drew up for me, and it works pretty good. So I've been doing soil tests for 10 years or more now, and it's probably the best way to find out what you need on your farm. If you haven't got the right trace elements to trigger the nitrogen off, you won't get the results. So I think it's helped the farmer and the reef a lot. So hopefully it'll be better for the reef and better for the grower.